Web navigators, hello and welcome to PC Tips and Tricks. If you didn't know, the Windows 11 operating system includes several types of tracking. Firstly, there's advertising, but additionally we also have telemetry, which is commonly known as tracking. So how do you get rid of all this intrusion? That's a good question. When you don't want your data to disappear who knows where, the telemetry function in Windows is enabled by default. It collects all sorts of user activity and sends it to Microsoft. Well, no need to be shy. Understanding the meaning, telemetry and tracking, an essential distinction. Telemetry and tracking are often used interchangeably, but they refer to slightly different concepts, especially in the context of computing. Telemetry, it refers to the remote collection and transmission of data about a system. In the field of computing, it is used to measure the performance of software or hardware, to identify anomalies and to optimize its operation. Tracking, it consists of monitoring the activity of a user on a system. It allows to collect data on their behavior, their preferences, and their interactions. Okay, let's get started. Click on the Settings icon. Select the System tab. Then click on the Notifications tab. You can take this opportunity to disable notifications that you find irrelevant. Now that this is done, click on the Additional Settings tab. Uncheck the boxes to disable these settings. Still in the settings, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Then in Windows Permissions, select General. As you can see, this concerns the advertising settings. Uncheck the boxes to disable these settings. To continue, click again on the Privacy and Security tab. Select Handwriting Input and Typing Personalization. Uncheck the box to disable this setting. Click again on the Privacy and Security tab. Select Diagnostics and Feedback. Click to bring up the drop-down menu. Uncheck the box to disable this setting. Do the same for the other settings. Let's continue our process. Click on the search icon. Type Options in the search bar. Select File Explorer Options. Click on the View tab. Then in the list, uncheck the box Show Notifications from Synchronization Provider. To disable telemetry in the registry, you must do the following. Type Reget It in the search bar. Now go to the following registry, be copying the path indicated in the description. Double-click on the value, allow telemetry, and change the value data to 0. In order not to be obliged to start again in case of reinstallation, you can save this key in a folder, and you will only have to double-click on it to modify the value. If you do not have such a registry key created, it's simple. Right-click on the Windows key, select New, then Key. Rename this key DataCollection, with a capital letter at the beginning of each word and attached. Then continue as follows. Right-click in the window, then select New and stored 32-bit value. Name this value AllowTelemetry. The value will be 0 by default, so no change. You can close the tree and quit Reget It. Now, you need to disable a Windows service. In the taskbar, click on the search icon, type Services, Then search for How Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Double-click to open. Here is the famous diag track. Open the drop-down menu and choose Disabled. Then click on Stop to stop the execution of the service. Click on Apply, then OK. In order for these changes to take effect, you must restart your PC. That's it. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you soon in a next video.